Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are in Bull Bay today and we are looking at the demolition of the Bull Bay police station. So Bull Bay is going to be without a police station. Now this station had to be removed, but no new station has been built yet. I don't even think they have identified a location for the new station yet. The last official response was they were looking for a suitable space close to this station. But let's say they have found the location, because that was some time ago. It's not ready. The construction of the new station has not started yet. So guys, what do you think about this? Bull Bay is without a police station. Now, Harborview has a police station, but it's small. Yalos has a larger police station. So between Harborview and Yalos, no police station on the main road. So, what happened? This station, the Bull Bay Police Station, is in the path of the Southern Coastal Highway. This is a massive road project to build a highway from Harborview to Yalos. Now, the busiest section of that route is between Harborview and Yalos. So, within that section, between Harborview and Yalos, there's 17 kilometers of road. It's a 4-lane dual carriageway that's going to be built. Now, between Harborview and 10 to 12 miles, Bull Bay, where this station is located, the existing roadway is going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. So that means all the structures right beside the road are going to have to be removed. Over 600 structures will have to be removed for this road to be built, and this police station is one. So we have to ask another question. Why is a new police station not built yet? Because it was known 4 years ago when the construction started on this project that a police station had to be built. A new police station, because this one was going to be demolished. And 4 years ago is when the physical construction started. During the planning stage of this project, it was known that this station had to be removed. So why is it no police station has been built during the last 4 years or even the last 6 years? Now, this station has been demolished. It's no longer functional, and by tomorrow it will be completely flattened. Some agency dropped the ball. A police station is a vital entity. It's something that's needed. And to have this one removed and no new one built is very surprising. But that's where we are today. Now, the National Works Agency is supposed to be in charge of building a new station. And as I said at the beginning, the construction of the new station has not started yet. Now, let's assume everything is past, all the planning, everything. How long will it take to actually build the station? It's going to take at least a year. So for the best case scenario, Bull Bay is going to be without a police station for at least a year. Worst case scenario, it could be 2-3 years. So I'm not sure. If they couldn't get it done within the last 4 years to build a new station, I don't see them moving very fast now that this one is tore down. In Harborview, I think it's we're going to make a video at the station in Harborview. I think it's a house because it's in a residential area. It's a house that was converted to a police station. So I'm not sure if that's the plan for Bull Bay, a temporary station, but even if they're going to convert a house to a station, it hasn't started yet. The conversion has not started yet. Nothing has started on a new police station or a new police post. No work. So I don't know who is responsible for this. If it's the NWA, the police, the Ministry of Economic Growth, I don't know. But it's not a good sign to know that this one has been demolished and then construction has not even started on the new one. So guys, let us know what you think about this. And in the interim, Bull Bay will be without a police station. Now this section of the highway going, well, we're still in St. Andrew, between Harborview and Yalos is to finish in August of this year. So with everybody putting pressure, or everybody, a lot more interest has been put into the project for the last week or two, because everybody now realizes all of a sudden that this road won't, it's delayed, and for whatever reason, a lot of work is going into the project now. So they're trying to meet the August deadline. So even so, they're trying to meet the deadline. So hopefully they will start building a new station soon. What I think should have been done is the new station should have been a part of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. So when the government took out a loan for $349 million to build this road, 349 million US, they should have included the building of a new police station in it and taken out the loan for say 352 million US or 350 million US. The building of the new station, the cost to build a new station, should have been a part of this project. So that way the station would have been built as the highway was being built. But that's just my opinion. Guys, let me know what you think about that. And there you can see the main roads. You see how close the station is to the main road. So it had to be removed. And this is a very historic building. It's very unfortunate, but it's for the good. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.